Welcome to a series that I like to call Do Hair Systems Look Real and Are They For You? First of all, with a model called Nick. Look at him just for one moment. Look at the transformation and just appreciate what hair does for people. And good eyes and good lips. Nick normally replaces his systems every 3 and 4 months. And his refits are normally every 3 and 4 weeks. And roughly costing wise in the UK, this normally costs between £500 and £550. Next up is Anthony. He's a professional bike rider and trains in the velodrome. Normally trains around 5 to 6 times a week and wears a helmet. His refit times are normally between 3 and 4 weeks, and his system will cost normally £500 to £550. As you can see, we've put some highlights in as well, just for a little bit of a different look for summer. Next up, we've got Adam. Adam's a little bit more flamboyant, a little bit more creative, and he wanted a Malin streak put into his system. So this got custom made for his look. Adam normally wears tape systems and he changes them between a week to 2 weeks. This is because he has a rare skin condition, but it doesn't stop him looking cool as. Next up, there's one for the ladies. We have Faith. She's got a full head system as she has alopecia universalis. We made this custom system for her, 22 inches of auburn hair. Faith is a professional dancer and she is okay with being bald, but when she wants to dress up, she puts her hair on, and this system will last 6 months and normally cost £900 plus, depending where you are in the UK. Next up, we have Ian. Now, Ian is like the Jason Momoa of the hair system world. He trains in the gym 5 to 6 times a week. He normally has a long hair system where he can tuck it behind his ears, put a man bun in. It's a top system, so it's male pattern boarding. And this would normally cost him around £650. His refit times around 2 weeks to 3 weeks, and he uses tape or glue. Next up, we have Andy. Now, Andy likes some highlights in his hair, so we gave him a nice, short, trendy crop to show that off. Andy is a semi-professional footballer, so he's really active. He scores a lot of goals, evidently, he tells me. He gets refits every 3 and 4 weeks, and his system will normally cost around £550. Next up, we have Ty. Ty is 62 years old and he's only been wearing a hair system for the last 6 months. Can we all just appreciate how dapper he really looks? His refit times are every 4 weeks and he uses a glue adhesive. This would normally cost him around £500 to £600. I hope you've enjoyed my little series of Do Hair Systems Look Real and Are They For You? I hope you get a better understanding. If you want to know more, follow this channel.